So for supine diaphragmatic breathing, we're just gonna get one yoga block or a pillow that we can place that under our head. And then from here, we can just go right in front of our couch, get our legs right up against it. And I'm gonna use that block right under my head. From here, what I wanna focus on is just letting the weight of my legs just naturally fall down over the couch. I'm gonna place one hand on my belly, I'm gonna place one hand on my chest. Right? I like to ensure that we have something under our head because we can just make sure that our neck is in a neutral alignment. We don't have any tension in our neck muscles. And then from here, all I'm doing is I'm just tracing my breath. Ideally, I want to be breathing through my nose. What I should feel is my diaphragm expanding in through my belly. So I should feel a nice belly breath here, feeling the breath fill up, and then the chest may follow, and then I relax with my breath there. Right? So if I'm just here breathing, all I'm doing is and that's going to be your basic diaphragmatic breathing.